How's it going, everybody? I'm Jordan Tyler Haynes here in what used to be my kitchen. I'm really excited to be playing a song for Live in the Living Room today. So here's Deadbolt. It's the title track to an album I just put out. Staring at the southern sky, starlight burning through my mind. Send my thoughts to outer space, making room for another face. Fixing up these dirty sheets. Never seen this house so clean. Try to hide my bitter side. Try to make it real this time. Tearing through fences and breaking down walls. Felt like surrender before. I'll walk this invader by the hand down the hall, trying not to feel so insecure. Next time I unlock the door, coffee cups and drugstore wine, staring into puffy eyes. Shouldn't seem so out of reach. Shouldn't feel like hell to me. Open up, I could try. Secrets from another life. Scared to death that she might tell. Scared to learn about myself. Tearing through fences and breaking down walls. Felt like surrender before. I'll walk this invader by the hand down the hall, trying not to feel so insecure. Next time I unlock the door, staring at the southern sky, sinking down inside my mind. Wonder what it takes to change. Walk inside before she